So today is actually my day off, but I am on Timothy M. Shea along with Captain Travis.
Hey guys.
Captain Travis is in charge. We have been dispatched to escort a yacht in from the Atlantic through the Ponce Inlet. Something I've never done before, so I decided to ride along.
Escorting, TowBoat TMS performing an escort through the ICW from Ponce Inlet to Daytona Marina. All concerned traffic, please maintain a wide berth, minimum wake. TowBoat standing by on channel 1416. TowBoat out.
Hey, Travis.
Yes, sir.
Hey, so it'll be myself and then John, my first officer here on VHF comms with you. Yeah, so my voice and then John's voice.
10-4. It's pretty easy all the way through. The only sketchy part we kind of have is over at 18A where it was shoaled up last time. It's not shoaled up, but they have the part of the channel on the starboard side with the markers for the dredge pipe that's underground, so you got to hug that dredge marker as close as you can on starboard. Other than that, it's smooth sailing down the middle of the ICW all the way, Bubba.
Awesome, copy that. What's the current looking like in there? Is it ripping pretty good?
Not bad at all.
It is beautiful. We might as well be on a pond right now.
Moving pretty good too.
Oh yeah.
What are you doing? 7 knots right now? Almost 8 knots?
He's probably still doing like 15, 14.
You want your...
Yeah, I'll put that back on. I'm gonna put my other one in the back there.
One hour later.
15, and you got all day to make this turn to the right.
Copy that.
Below 15 all the way through.
Copy, that sounds good.
Eight. Spin it, Johnny, spin it.
Yeah, he's pivoting.
Alright, Travis, we're both engines ahead. We'll be right behind you.
10-4, I got 15 feet right here at the marker, and then you'll see this dredge marker out here in the middle of the channel. That's the one that you need to try to hug as much as possible to your starboard, because you've got 8 foot along the edge of the channel when you pull.
Copy that.
You're running 14.7, 14.8. You're good. 15, 15.1, 15, 14.9.
I think this line is good for him right here.
Yeah, I agree.
Honestly,
I agree. 15.1.
on a perfect line right here, I think.
Copy that. Sounds good.
13.4, 13.9, 14. $14.7, $14.9, $15.
Channel 1, 2, please.
Alright, we're touching 9 foot on my stern here.
Come neutral for a second.
I'm gonna drop back to 10.
Copy that.
Alright, I got 9. Alright, drop back down on my stern to 13, so we're good after that.
Copy that.
Maintain what you got. I'm gonna kick it down so I don't wake these guys out.
Copy that. We'll see you on the other side of the bridge.
Can you go through there too?
Yeah.
Okay, get in front of me.
Eventually.
God, 8.8, 8.6, 8.5, 8.3,
What's over here?
7.9.
Hey, Travis, radio check on the handheld. Radio check.
Got you loud and clear.
7.9, 7.8.
It's 8 foot all the way through since I've entered pretty much. Oh, now we're 8.5.
All right, I'll keep copy that. I'm gonna take it on the starboard wing, and we'll make our way.
Not very much water movement from left to right either, so he'll be good.
Copy that. We're just finishing up checks. We'll be coming in. You said hook port side, right?
Center's kind of just, it's lesser to evils. Just take center. I mean, it is what it is. Oh, shit.
All right, Travis, we're coming in.
Yeah, he needs to definitely favor.
Definitely wants to favor, where we are right now, he wants to favor port.
After you come down halfway, you are going to want to favor port side. Yes, sir.
Why don't you go over there and see what it is?
Copy that. Hook and port.
Gotta shift it all the way, Travis.
Got it coming up behind you. Should I wave him by or?
Yeah. Just make sure you leave plenty of room for them. No worries, no worries. Thank you, sir. Hey, take care. Be safe.
You know, we're reading 5-3 here, but we think.
Hey, Travis, I'm already sold up here.
Sorry. Yeah, I can push that way wide. Way wide.
Hey, so Travis, I'm floating again. I'm gonna just turn and take it on the port side and cut it close.
Yeah, I got 8 foot in my stern over here. Yeah, it's gonna be a tight turn. Should be good.
Yeah, copy. Hey, we just held this boat coming up on 1-6 for me. I don't have a handheld on 1-6 there.
Northbound vessel headed towards Orange Avenue Bridge. This is TowBoat US. Can you slow up for me and allow this yacht to get into Daytona Marina, please?
Yeah, no problem, Cap. We'll pull it back.
I appreciate you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
All right, he's holding back for you.
Yeah. You might want to move up a little bit. You're right center of his entrance.
I'm still showing 8 and
Yeah,
a half on
yeah.
my stern. I got 8.5 on my stern. Eight, 7.
Travis, I'm gonna keep them both ahead, so just watch me here.
Keep in mind, once you're inside, you don't have a lot of room to port. You gotta slide it over tight. Try to stay inside of me. One hiccup. Just took a little wide, you know.
Showing 3.5 here.
Yeah, I got 3.5.